How to place a bet on BetMGM? Bet in BetMGM. If you'd like to place a bet on BetMGM, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all, open your browser, go to betmgm.com and log into your account. Now simply choose between the category of games where you would like to go ahead and then place a bet on. After that, you will see all the upcoming games. So you can choose between different leagues based on whatever else it is. And from there, you can simply choose between which team would you like to place the bet on. Now, depending upon the type of or the category of the game, you'll have to place a bet on certain scenarios of the game. So, if it's a soccer game, you'll have to score a chances on the first team to score, or you will see the total goals, the correct score, and halfway, and whatever else it is, you should be able to place a bet on all of these. So after you've done this, you should be able to go ahead and then see the log into bet option on the right hand side, and then you'll be able to click the login button and then place a bet on BetMGM. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.